Hey, happy Wednesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So we have an update today on membership courses. So there's a couple of things here to talk about. So first up, images in comments and assignment experience improvements. So we're excited to share some new features and improvements to make your course experience better. What's new? Visual commenting. So basically drag, upload, paste images and GIFs directly into lecture comments, which is cool. So you can kind of see this a little bit on the screen here. So I'm typing something, but I can also drag and drop an image up there. Instant preview, obviously, without leaving the page, and animated GIF support for lively interactions, because if you want to do just more than a static image, you can. Also smart file caching for faster loading later on, which is awesome. We did some key fixes here too. Oh, and yeah, by the way, here's another example of that. You've got multiple files in there, which is very cool. And of course, if you click on them, they nicely blow up here like you'd want them to. And here's some key fixes that were put in place. You can pause up and look at that. A couple of security fixes, and then also a performance fix. This is awesome. We made the product delete endpoint radically faster. So we moved it from 7 to 10 seconds down to 0.3 or 0.4 seconds. I don't know what the percentage improvement there is, but I'm pretty sure it's in the thousands of percent. So anyways, on that note, I hope you are having an amazing Wednesday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.